Hello and welcome to module 2 of our SQL tutorial series. In the last module, we learned about SQL Basic, including how to create a database and tables. Today, we will focus on two essential concepts: SQL data types, which define the type of data a column can store, and second, SQL constant, which ensure data integrity and accuracy in our databases. So by the end of this session, you will have a solid understanding of how to structure your database correctly. So let's get it. What are SQL data types? In SQL, every column in a table must have a data type which determine the kind of data that can be stored in that column. Choosing the right data type is important because it affects the database's performance, storage efficiency, and accuracy. SQL data types are broadly categorized into three groups: numeric data type, string data type, and date and date time data type. So let's go through them one by one. First is numeric data type. So numeric data type are used to store numbers. They are further divided into two types: integer type for whole numbers, decimal type for the number with a decimal value. Let's go over commonly used numeric data types. So int store whole number, for example 10, 100, minus 50, minus 100, so etc. A small int uses less storage for a smaller number, 3276 minus 32000. So and next one is a big int, so used for the very large number, if in a thousand and lakhs. So if we go through with this example, so here we have created a employee table. So in this example, employee ID is an because it is a unique identifier and age is a small int, since age value are smaller numbers. Then decimal and floating point data types. Decimal store precise decimal value like 10.25, 99.99. Here we have used the price column as a here 10 and 2 ensure that the price has 10 digit in total and with the two decimal places. Same for the numeric, it is the same as a decimal, ensure say precision, and a float store approximately a decimal value. It is sometime like 3 point something, so it is a converted into 3.1. For example, like some value are 3.1167 are there, so it is a converted into 3.14. Real similar to float but take up less. Next is string data type. String data type are used to store text values such as names, descriptions, email addresses. So they are categorized as a fixed length and variable length strings. So char using for the fixed length, like char is the best when storing data of the same length, like postal code or country. Varchar length string store variable length text. So it is a n denotes for the number. Like if we put varchar 100, so it allow up to 100 character for any attributes. And next is a text. So last text store is here. In next data type, date and time data type. So date store only date, year, month, and date format. Time store only times, and date time store both date and time. Now that we understand data type, let's talk about the SQL constant. Constants are rule. Applied the constant or rule applied to the table column to ensure data integrity and prevent errors. Common SQL constant like primary key, it ensures unique non-null values. Foreign key link to table together. Not null prevent null values. Unique ensure all value in a column are unique. Check it ensure a condition is primary key and foreign key. So I already explained that like primary key ensure uniqueness, prevent null values. Foreign key enforce relationship between tables. Like for example, a foreign key link. Like we have a two tables. One is a customer and second for the order table. So foreign key link the order table to the customer table. The not null constant ensures the username column cannot have empty value. Username column or name column. Like if there we have using employee name, student name for the student table. So not null ensure like not null constant ensure the user column cannot have empty value. Same as it is unique ensure value in a column are unique. Check constant ensure a column follow a specific condition. For example, check price is not equal to zero. So it is always checking if getting the price equal to zero. So we getting the alerts. So that's the wrap up for module 2. Today we covered SQL data type and constant, essential for structuring a database properly. In the next module, we will dive into SQL queries, select where and order by. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment with your questions. I will see you in the next video.